Hey there everybody. So today we are out in the Monarda patch. You can see we're not the only ones really interested in it, I'm sure. But so the most medicinal parts of Monarda, particularly Monarda dinema, are the flowers. So what we want to do to make teas out of it is to take really this chunk, but cutting right below the flower is going to stunt the rest of the growth of this plant for the remainder of the season. So there's some strategic cutting opportunities that we can take. So what I'm instead going to do is come down to this set of double leaves right here, and I'm going to snip that. And then I'll take the flower itself, and that goes in the basket for collection. And the reason we're taking the cuttings here is because these parts of the plant have the opportunity to come up and produce more of the flower clusters. And so we'll do the same thing to these guys here. And indeed, for a good chunk of this, at least until we kind of fill the basket, that way we can keep little guys like this bumblebee working his way around, or her way around, and the swallowtails. We can keep those critters fed and really happy throughout the season, keep them interested in the gardens, keep them doing their ecological work, and get a harvest for ourselves. Now, I did toss that one particular one just to demonstrate the point, but you can take the leaves from these as well and use them as a replacement for oregano if you have trouble growing Greek oregano. So it's kind of a nice little get everything out of it plant. You can have a really awesome tea that's great for your stomach and your digestive system, and just really flavorful, and you can get herbs and spices for your gardens, from your gardens, for your kitchens for the rest of the year too. So we're just going to keep going on this. And it doesn't have to be every plant, it doesn't have to be every flower. We just really want enough to make some really lovely teas for people. So that's one of the things we're up to today. And I hope you all are having a lovely time as well. I appreciate the answer.
Yes, I'm rolling. Ooh.
So, till next time, thanks for watching. Happy planting.
Oh, I'm not cutting now. I'm being extra